too, man. Let's get it. Last episode, you know what I'm saying, Erin had almost died, but I kept it safe because I'm a real nigga. I know how to play the game. You feel me? The little asthma girl, she ain't dying. Out of anybody, she ain't dying. Where are we at again? Oh yeah, I know. Alright, let's go.
Let's just all take a deep breath and not lose our minds.
No, Charles. We're done. This has been weird every step of the way, and now it's getting scary.
Oh, relax.
I'm serious. Everything about this is off.
Kills me to admit it, but Kate is right. Somebody tried to attack Erin.
We don't know that's what actually happened.
I know what I saw.
In the dark.
You think I'm making this up?
Everyone relax, okay? Just give me a second to think.
Gang.
Excuse you.
Charles has got to be the
And
most stupidest
exit stage
white man
left are oh so confident and sure leader.
What was that?
Stupid fool.
Charlie is thinking, which looks a lot like a temper tantrum.
Maybe he's right. If we don't crush this episode, we're all screwed.
Are you kidding me?
What? I'm
Mark.
just
I've been
saying.
waiting on you for ages to actually make a decision about something. Anything. And now this is when you suddenly choose to take a stand?
Sorry, maybe I'm crazy, but if Erin says somebody came for her, I believe her.
We're not safe here.
It was just a dummy.
You think I'm lying? Really?
I think maybe you're just confused about what you saw in the dark.
I know what I saw.
Right. Here's the plan.
We've already got a plan. It's leaving.
Just listen. We cannot jump to conclusions. I'm going to go and find Dumet and get clear on everything. Everything is going to be fine, okay? And we're going to get the footage we need.
He didn't show for dinner. What makes you think you can find him now?
A positive attitude. You should try it sometime.
Bravo, Charles. Your delusions make for such great plans.
Demet left. I saw it, remember?
Maybe he's back now.
Exactly.
Maybe he's not.
Would it kill
Oh,
you
he's
to think
not.
positively just once?
I guess as far as Charlie ideas go, it's not the worst he's ever had.
It's not even the worst idea I've had this evening.
Don't go patting yourself on the back. I still think your priorities are fucked.
Whatever. I'm going.
I'm coming with you.
Wait. Do you have to go?
I'll be right back. Promise. Just stay put so I know where to find you, okay?
I don't care what he says. I'm done. I'm getting my shit together.
Kate.
I'm leaving, Mark. You coming or not? Erin saw someone.
Okay, you're right. Sorry. It's just Charlie said.
We're not safe here. That outweighs having a damn job.
Shut the
You're right. Let's go. Erin, everything's gonna be okay. Wait here.
Can't you just stay here while I pack up my stuff?
I don't want to waste any time. I'm right around the corner. Let's all be quick. We'll be right back. Promise.
No, don't.
Bro, why would y'all...
Sorry, just still freaked out. Can you leave it open so you guys can hear me?
Of course.
Bro, why would y'all leave her, bro? She just got attacked. Like,
Okay,
Charlie is an idiot.
genius.
I ain't gonna lie, he gotta go.
Where are we going to look first for Demet?
I'm not looking for Dumet. I'm scouting for shots. If he pops up along the way, great.
Jesus. You really don't care about anything else, do you?
Of course I care.
Tell that to
His
Kate.
priorities
You know as well
fuck.
as I do, if we're set up and a camera is rolling, she'll want to be in front of it.
Is there anything here for me, like, to look at? Speed this process up. There's gotta be something here for me. Oh wait, no, there is something. What is this? Oh, we already looked at this. Let me put that down, put that down, put it down! We already looked at that. Wait, hold up. I'm assuming... Ooh, it went up! 180. I'm assuming it's like the number of people that came in here.
What happened here?
No idea.
Oh, damn. Ooh, there's blood. At least a year. Hold up. Let's examine all this stuff real quick.
Hey, I found Dumet's business card.
is this?
I wonder if that groundskeeper would know where the Met went.
Just scripts? Wow. Wow.
Wait, what?
Kurt, what?
What the hell?
Wait. Ain't shit here. Blood leads to.
Jamie, over here.
Okay, yeah, I'm freaking the fuck out.
It's just blood.
Just blood? Are you kidding me?
You're jumping to conclusions. All we know is something was dragged
Charlie
along
is
this
an
way and
idiot.
it was bleeding.
Oh,
And
fuck.
that's not a cause for concern to you?
All right, it's a little odd.
Odd.
What do you want me to say? Look, it's probably just Dumet or the groundskeeper dragging in some dead animal from outside. Maybe it's our dinner.
Maybe it's our dinner. This
Welcome,
is
one and all,
stupid.
to tonight's entertainment,
Oh, what the fuck?
presented by Grantham Dumet.
Dumet? What? So he hasn't left?
What? Hey, I ain't scared. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You know what I'm saying? I'm good. I ain't scared. They can't scare me. I'm good. I can't get scared by shit. Somebody's
You hear
grunting.
that?
Please. Help.
The fuck?
Whoa!
Help me.
Groundskeeper.
Please. Please.
Are you...
I'll do anything.
What happened? Are you okay?
What the fuck?
Oh, what in the?
What is this?
It's a fucking booby trap. You shift your weight off that plate and this guy is getting run through by that thing.
My gosh.
Please. Help. Help me. Jamie.
Step back, stay. It's only at your nose, gang. It's your nose, bro. Just stay. It's your nose. It's your nose.
Please help. Oh my God.
Shit, give me your hand. Come on. Damn it.
It's gone.
What's happening? What did I do?
We need to get the fuck out of here. Now. Charlie.
Huh?
Let's go.
Time to go, Charlie. Boy, he stabbed him in his.
Did you see him?
The mask?
What the hell was that?
All in his shit.
You're shitting me.
Oh.
We're trapped. Jesus. We're trapped.
What do we do?
Break the fucking door down.
Right.
Nigga.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pointless. Waste of time.
You hear that?
Yes. What is happening?
Fuck.
Find your spirit crystal?
Don't do that. And don't make fun of me.
Sorry. Wouldn't want you to cut yourself. The rock is sharp as hell and, super magical.
It's an amethyst crystal. It
Helps keep you calm by blanketing you in protective energy. I know. I remember.
If you know, then don't call it a rock.
Maybe I just feel like you should take responsibility of your own emotions and stop outsourcing the job to a crystal.
Maybe you're right. Makes me feel better.
Maybe you're right. But you don't have to be an asshole about it.
Okay, maybe that was a shitty thing to say. I'm sorry.
It's fine. This isn't the time or place to...
I have to tell you something.
Okay.
Earlier, you brought up that DP job I blew off. I never told you the truth about it.
About what?
It wasn't a job, not really.
What are you talking about?
Remember my friend Murray? He was setting up a studio in Brooklyn, Fine Arts. He wanted a partner.
That's your dream.
Yeah, there is exactly zero money to be made, so I thought you'd tell me it was insane, rightfully, because it would be.
Why didn't you go for it? You should have chased your dream. Should have chased your dream.
Wait, I mean, did you ever think maybe of chasing the dream first and making it work practically second?
Clearly not. I'm here, aren't I?
Kate accused Mark of overanalyzing everything. It went up. My relationship with Charlie is up, though. I thought that was... whatever.
Things were already starting to get tough for us.
Oh, no. Don't put any of this on me. This is all you.
I know. I turned it down because it would have taken me away from you.
Don't say stupid choice.
I guess I didn't even think of that.
I just...
What do you want me to say?
Guess I was holding out for things to change with us. Deep down, I'm still hoping.
You should have said all this before.
I know.
Okay.
I'm not going through it all again.
What if this time is different?
Oh, come on. That's not likely, and you know it.
Sorry. I guess I'm a little confused.
Again, what's up with the black men simping for these little white girls in this game, bro? She not even on that.
We better go.
All right,
Let's get back to Aaron and get the fuck out of here.
You know what I'm saying? She had assets, you know what I'm saying? Then I'd understand.
Charles
She
seems
don't got
hell
no
bent on
assets.
talking to him, so maybe, yeah. Wonder how much pure amethyst is going for online these days.
Take it with you.
Who's going around locking these doors?
Dumet is a little helper in the yellow coat.
Yeah, that little helper in the yellow coat is dead. Dead as a fucking doorknob.
Wait,
Hold on, where's Aaron?
What's that?
is this somebody's idea of a fucking joke? How is this here?
Did you bring this?
No.
Is it her?
Yeah. Shelby.
Matching nails?
God, don't. We always got them done the same.
Okay. You're friends with a psychopath.
That's him.
What?
That's him. The guy in the back.
You know him?
He kinda did. He was just one of those guys that was always around. We would be at some of the same parties, but that's it. It was my fault.
You know that's not true.
The night it happened, I was supposed to meet her. We were going to grab some drinks, go to a party. I slept through. There's a big deal on campus not to go out on your own. And Shelby waited for me when I didn't show, and that's when he got her.
It's okay.
It's not fucking
Damn,
okay.
survivor's guilt.
It can't be. I have to live with it every day, and now someone knows. Someone wanted me to find this. What the hell is that?
I have no idea. But I feel like it's bad.
What the hell?
Get over here, now!
Charlie!
I can't hold this. You have to get the fuck out any way you can. Just get the fuck out! Now!
Jamie! Charlie!
What the hell just happened?
I don't know, but I think it's really bad.
Erin, hello. Nobody knows what it is about Erin.
It isn't moving.
So now what? We're fucked.
There has to be a way around.
Yeah, maintenance corridors, crawl space, has to be.
Great. I gotta lock in and keep both of these two safe.
What's going on? Demet, what the hell is going on with him?
He was nervous the whole way here. I chalked it up to him just being eccentric.
There's a lot of miles between eccentric and murderous.
Let's think about this. You saw Dumet take off.
So maybe he found out there was a killer and bugged out?
Maybe.
Right.
Or perhaps the man we met wasn't actually Dumet.
And the dude in the mask is?
Nigga, no.
That contraption, that's a hell of a lot to set up. That was planned out, every bit of it. It was set up for us to find.
Which makes it even more likely the dude on the ferry wasn't really Demet. Motherfucker.
What?
Brick wall.
What?
Keep going.
Just like Holmes.
I know, I don't want to think about it.
How does that even happen?
Trying to map this in my head. But I think Erin's room has been completely cut off.
Jesus, Charlie. Why is he messing with her?
Because she's the most easily frightened. The most vulnerable.
Oh, what the fuck?
Is that a kid?
Oh, good. You hear a creepy kid voice too. I was worried I was finally snapping.
Where's it coming from?
Here. Oh, my sister is screaming right now. Another coin. Oh, I don't know what these coins. I forgot what these coins do. They did tell me in the first episode. We got some money. Always get to that cheddar bob.
Charlie,
All right, let's go.
come here. Let's get this open.
Ooh. That's disgusting. Oh no no! You fucking. Oh,
We're in a bloody nesting doll.
stuck in the
What?
freezer.
A Russian nesting doll. You know? A doll in a doll in a doll.
Are you losing your shit? Because I don't need that right now.
We're locked in a kitchen, trapped in a hotel, stranded on an island. Even if we get out of this room...
How do we get out of the hotel?
Exactly.
That is a
All of
body.
the island.
Ain't no
Maybe
pig.
we just focus on one thing at a time. This room first.
You're right, of course.
Charlie, I found a way out, maybe. Look, this one swings out. We can probably force it easier than the others.
Stand back. That's not what I was expecting. Ah! Amy! Ah!
Uh-oh. What the?
Charlie?
Charlie, oh my gosh.
I know somebody was in there.
I gotta pee, hold up. Hi, we back. Whew.
I can't breathe.
Try to relax. Slow, deep breaths. In and out.
Come on.
Okay. Just trying to get audio to remember. This.
They gotta hear this. Wait.
Fuck.
Guys? Hello? Hey!
Oh my god.
Charlie? Mark?
Why use the buddy system?
Jamie?
It's dusty up in there, baby girl. Don't do it. It's dusty in there, baby girl. Don't do it.
Come on, come on. Stop being such a damn wimp.
Okay, you got 3 hits. The microphone, flashlight. You got the most stuff. Erin didn't use the inhaler in the blackout room. Erin didn't use... Oh! So she's being more brave. I guess. Or stupid. Erin found eviction. Okay, that's gonna lead to something. But she's being more brave. I like that. Somewhat. It's okay. I'm gonna get you out of this. You gonna make it. Erin will make it out of anybody. Come on, baby girl.
Treatment for what?
Snake. Man, we don't got time for none of that, man. Because I know you can't breathe for real. We don't got time for that. No, that's nigga jawline gone. Oi, got uppercut to death.
Oh, what the hell?
Like that. Okay. Don't touch it. No. No, back up. Back up. What are you doing, Miss Girl? I'm gonna examine that later. See if we got some stuff in here for us. Any extra inhalers?
Well,
It's cutie in the pink.
fuck you,
What?
Jamie.
Oh my gosh! Wow. Nah, that's not real, bro. Ain't no. Wow. That's crazy. Jamie's a player. With a gay ass.
Mr. Dumet, I want my team dead.
Oh,
I'll get them to you this weekend. Just do it.
Jesus.
what? Charlie 1 is dead? Hold on. Nah. Damn.
Charlie.
No, that's not. No way. AI, ain't no way. No fucking way. That's AI, bro. That ain't real. Dear Mr. Thompson, why don't you leave me the hell alone? October 10th, 1972. Okay. Fuck that guy. Another one. Oh shit. Uh-oh.
A whole carton this time. You trying to get on my good side or something? Yeah, I think I'll save them. What, no questions? What's going on with you, Monday? Oh, you seem different. Ah, I see that glimmer in your eye, you little devil. I can keep secrets, man. We all have them. That prosecutor is trying to get numbers out of me. Know that? Of course you know that. Numbers. They got Holmes for 27, but we know he was closer to 200, right? Can you imagine that? I wish I'd had the time to try and beat that. Sure, they know about those nice realtor ladies. They got families, after all. But the numbers the DA is asking me about, I think he knows there's some people out there, rejects, misfits, the kind of people that when you see them coming, you look the other way. Does anyone notice if they go missing? My father always told me to leave my mark on the world. I never knew what he meant by that. Not until I watched that first girl bleed out. I call it art. That's my signature on society. It's not murder. It's an aesthetic response to what this world has made me. Ask people to list serial killers, and they'll drop 5, 10 on you before they can think of any more. Ask them to name the detectives that caught those killers. No one is going to say a damn thing. No one knows. No one cares. No one makes movies about them. No one puts their faces on t-shirts. No one gives a shit. I've left my mark on the world. Have you?
Wow. Okay. Yeah, I left my mark on the world. A big ass dick. Alright, let's leave. Nothing in here. It's a closet of emptiness. So he thinks murder is art. It's like all serial killers. I guess, bro. What kind of serial killer, bro? Banish the demon drink with Dr. Holmes. Miracle cure. Next! that it in here? I think that's everything.
Aaron, hello?
Jamie?
Oh.
Jamie?
That
Aaron?
wasn't Jamie.
You there?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
What is happening? What?
You're not safe, Aaron.
How
You
are...
have to listen to me. Do exactly as I say.
Don't even mention the text messages.
Jamie, what is going on?
Top.
Where are you? I don't...
Just listen.
Damn, she has a good relationship with Charlie, Kate, Mark. Okay, Max. Alright, she has a good relationship with pretty much everybody. Cautious, timid, diplomatic, amiable, panicky, and curious. You have all the traits of somebody that's supposed to die first. Oh.
Listen. There's a cupboard in there. You have to get inside right now.
What are you talking about?
Just hide, Aaron.
Why are you telling me this? What's happening?
Aaron, now. Just trust me, okay?
Hide. Listen to her. Let's be cautious here. I'm gonna make sure you're safe. Don't worry. Oh, I gotta hold my breath, ain't it? With her asthma. What's the point? It's her asthma. You don't know I'm in here. You for sure don't know I'm in here. Pussy ass boy. I'll beat your ass. Yeah, walk away. Walk away. Aaron found Jamie's text messages about her. Aaron hid on the cupboard after hearing Jamie over the microphone.
Charlie?
Jamie? Hello?
Where the hell are they?
Hopefully somewhere safe, wondering where the hell we are.
Kate, check this out.
What is going on? Are we locked in here?
Yep.
Looks like it, yeah.
Wait. Shh.
What?
Shh.
You hear that?
Is that them?
Where's it coming from?
Somebody's in the restaurant.
What's the plan, Charlie? You end up dead.
Toast. All of you. Really? I know that I'm the butt of your jokes, and that's just my cross to bear as the patriarch of our
What
little
in
family.
the...
Mark and Jamie, the two of you do the work of a team of 10. And Kate, despite our bickering, you are the heart of this show. You keep people interested.
What the fuck is this?
Mark, what are you doing? Just stay back from it.
What has Charlie gotten us into? They're only mannequins.
This is beyond messed up. I don't know what Charlie's gotten us into, but if I see Dumet, I'm gonna fuck him up.
I doubt it. You ain't shit.
Okay, this is fucked up. What the hell is going
Because
on?
you're bald?
Has anyone seen Mr. Dumet?
There has to be a legit reason he left.
But why would he invite us here and to dinner and then just leave?
Can't be.
The Met? Yeah, that dude ain't coming.
Another piece of coin. Let's get to that bread.
Why is the lobby closed off? Kate,
I didn't close it.
What the hell is happening?
He invited us here and to dinner and then just leave.
Okay. There's nothing on me. I already looked. Nothing on Jamie, bro. Damn, that Aaron looks pretty good. How come Aaron looked better than all of us? All the rest.
Jesus. It looks just like
Aaron,
him.
be quiet.
No way somebody just threw these together in the last couple of hours.
Boy, can't get your own out of the screen.
You hear that?
Footsteps.
And they're getting closer.
Fight. It's 2v1.
Watch out.
Yup. Skadoosh, skadoosh. Bop, bop. Bash him in his head with that metal pipe. Boom, boom.
Oh, shit.
My bad, Jamie. That was terrible, though, Mark.
What's going on?
Sorry, I thought...
Jesus. What are those things?
Yeah, be happy she's okay. Damn, it went... it went down.
Oh, my God. When that wall shut, I'm just glad you're okay.
Demet killed his groundskeeper
What?
right in front of us.
Dumet?
It's a setup. He was wearing a mask, and I know how that sounds, but I'm not joking, and now he's after Aaron, so we need to move.
Wait, hang on. Where's Charlie?
I don't know. We got separated.
No way this is happening.
You know,
It
when
is.
our bodies wash up on the other side
Are
of
you
the lake,
fucking
it's
kidding me?
plausible deniability. Bodies dead.
Jesus,
Dead.
shut it up!
Bodies dead. 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 Dead.
What was that?
This... It's fake. A prop, or from an animal or something. It has to be.
No way.
Why would you grab it? Oh my God, she grabbed the eyeball. You disgusting little...
Oh, it's real. It's fucking real.
What you
I
thought it
told you.
was?
This was all too much.
Let's get out of here.
Fucking disgusting ass bitch. Damn, the eyeball popped out.
Oh, it's locked.
think it's real.
What's going
Idiot.
on?
The door I came through is locked too.
Uh-oh.
Dumet! You wanna play around? Get out here. Right now. Let's fucking play!
You're not doing anything to Dumet, gang. I'm gonna keep it a beam. I'm gonna keep it a stack. I'm not touching him. Damn, you look a mess.
I've got to get out.
Right. Find a way out the basement.
Oh, shit!
Oh. That wasn't smart. That bit flames. Foreshadowing. Alright, what is this? Is there anything on the floor?
Jamie! Hello!
That's pointless, bro.
Jamie! I'm okay!
pointless, bro. Let's use this key. Oh my gosh. Is that a dead body? Chicago killer, victim 2, cause of death, abdominal injuries. Victim's teeth have all been removed. What? Another dead body. Oh, he got bands in the skull.
John Doe number 2. I'm assuming you've read my report on the first one? Similar MO, unidentified male with multiple stab wounds. Looking at the lower abdomen, the wounds are consistent with those of the first victim. The shape of the entry wound suggests it's a strong probability that this is the same murder weapon. Looks like we've got a souvenir hunter here. This time the left ear has been severed. Clean incision. Probably a scalpel or a razor blade. Very tidy. Nice job, actually. Very little bleeding. The deceased had probably been dead for 30 to 40 minutes when this was done. This differs from the earlier MO. If you remember, that John Doe was still alive when the teeth were removed. That would have created a lot of noise and mess. This guy is learning.
Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, I don't look at that no more. That's kind of fucked up. Log. Nothing serious. Oh, snap. Never mind. It's good.
What? What the hell was that?
Somebody's walking, dude. Okay. Whoa, cameras. Oh man, Charlie, I ain't gonna lie. You in something right now. Charlie, you in some shit, bro. You in some shit, Charlie. I can't lie. What the fuck? Is that anything? Locked person.
You fell down the trap too, eh? Well, if I get out, I'll send someone back for you.
Past the fuck, bro. Go ahead and shimmy through that. Shimmy, shimmy, yang, shimmy, 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 yang. Trying. And jump through that bit. Yeah, got it. Scar. Scar. Up. More money, get into that bread, that cheddar bar. 20. I don't know what I'm collecting that for, but something. Ooh, fire, 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 fire. Hold on. That had fire on it. Hold on. There's gotta be something. Hold up. That had fire. Hold up. Oh my gosh. The whole... Alright, Charlie, I got you. Don't worry, I got you. Investigate the screaming? I would not. I'd rather not. Yep. I'd rather not investigate the screaming because that's kind of scary. Kind of fucked up. Man, I'm not Scooby-Doo. Okay. They got burnt to a crisp. Alright. We are not going in there. We cannot go in there. We cannot go in there. Fuck. God damn it. Alright, here we go.
Well, hello, gorgeous.
Back up. You back up!
Where have you been? Praise the Lord. It's real. This is gonna be the best cigarette of your life.
I don't have a lighter, idiot. Oh my fucking gosh. Bro, Charlie. Bro, Charlie might die on some shit.
What's he doing?
They heard him. Oh no, they did. They didn't hear him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You can't reach that. That's so unreachable. You can't reach that. That's not even movable. Oh, he's man. Fumes. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, fuck.
Hey!
Gas.
Hey, hello! I'm here!
Piece of Be strong. Be strong. You hit the crate, you smoker. Let's go!
Things are starting to heat up for our friend.
I don't care for you.
Charlie's goose may be cooked. It can be difficult working with someone you've been involved with, but I think Mark and Kate may be finding a way and learning some new things about each other. And how do we feel about Mr. Dumet's lovely animatronics? I think they're rather clever. Some of them look very realistic. I wonder where he sources the parts. It would only be fair at this stage to offer up a little hint to even the odds. What do you think?
Yes!
Let's take some inspiration from the works of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Apparently, our friend Herman Mudgett was so enamored with Sherlock Holmes that he borrowed his surname. Here. He has a brain of the first order. He sits motionless, like a spider, in the center of its web. But that web has 1,000 radiations, and he knows well every quiver of each of them. I hope that helps.
No, that shit didn't help. That was the dumbest hint you could have ever gave me.
You'd better get back to things. Best of luck.
Get up, Johnny, I've been blind. Remember when I went to stone? You rockin' CZ, that ain't diamonds. You make it fake just like the hoes. Run the bands, won't miss, pay me in bands. Blue strips, too advanced for this. I ain't asked for this. Look at your mans, don't trip, but to your ass. No whip, I was just ate with a Glock on my hip. I was just now and I learned how to kill. That brought a peg, go sound like O'Neal. And you can't hold me, all the hoes, master on me. Through the P when cop the road. It's a free fall, I ain't tryna